Working with Jamie and Steve is such a seamless and easy experience. I never have to worry about getting the outcome I want out of my videos because they take care of everything. They pay such extraordinary attention to detail, and they make me feel really comfortable in order to get my message across in a way that is succinct, in a way that's impactful, and in a way that really represents me. I have expanded my mailing list by more than 3,000 names in the last 12 months because of a video series that we put together. I've also grown my programs to be bi-coastal, and I oftentimes, when asking students what made them reach out to me, it was the videos that we produce because they felt like they had such a clear knowledge of what it is that I do and also such a clear connection to who I am as a coach. And I know that's in large part due to the extraordinary videos that Geffner Productions has put together.